Mwangarie Job Mwema. From where I'm here today, I'm here to learn more about entrepreneurship, and my expectations from today. Let me say, I just want to go home with more information, more knowledge, and everything that deals with entrepreneurship. For the past days I've been here, my experience has been great. Everything from the catering, first of all, the catering has been good. The learning process is excellent. The group of people that we are with here, they are doing a great job in ensuring that we are learning in the best atmosphere as we can get. Yes, my expectations were met, exceedingly met. I learned more than I thought I would. So yes, they were met and exceedingly met. I don't think there's anything that you've done wrong so that I can complain about. There's nothing. Everything is just perfect. That's from my own view.